Some facts about Zubeen Garg. The surname Garg was adopted from his Gotra, and the actual name of Zubeen Garg was Zubeen Thakur. He sang more than 38,000 songs in 40 different languages. Zubeen Da can also play 12 plus musical instruments. Apart from a singer, Zubeen Da is also a lyricist, music director, filmmaker, and also a good actor. Zubeen Da is also worked on Bollywood, but he did not get any interest on Bollywood. That's why he returned to Assam and to Assamese industry, to Assamese musical industry. His first album was Anamika, and the last song he has sung, it is called Batore Hekote. He was died in 19 September recently, right? 19 September 2025. But after his death, he also created a Limca Book of World. He got the 4th position. The first was Michael Jackson. Then Zubeen Garg hold the 4th position of Limca Book of World Record on the public eatery. And do you know who owns the Limca Book of World Record? Yes, it is none other than the Coca-Cola patch. Coca-Cola company hold the record, the ownership of Limca Books of World. And if you are interested in this type of videos, then please hit the like button and also subscribe this channel, and also please share this video.